In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make text bigger on X application or on Twitter application. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and on your iPhone, first off, you need to head over to Settings. I'm gonna show you from the beginning, so first off, open up Settings. Then scroll down until you find Control Center. Here we need to ensure that text size shortcut is added to included controls. If it is not, scroll down until you find it in that list and then just stop at the plus button next to it. After that, we can go back to X App. Then just swipe down from the top right corner to bring up the Control Center. Now we can easily find text size shortcut here. And then if we tap on it, we'll be able to change text size for X only or for all applications. We can easily switch it in that way. I'm gonna keep X only selected, and now I can easily change text size by dragging that bar up or down in that way. Now it equals 135%. I can then go back to X application. As you can see, text size is highly increased. That makes it easier to read. Basically, guys, in any time we can go back here and then we can set different text size. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.